Hello everyone. In this video, we are asked to find the value of x given that 3 raised to the power of x plus 1 minus 4 times 3 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the equation is 3 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 4 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have it that this is 3 raised to the power of 2x multiplied by 3 minus 4 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, recall that if I have a raised to the power of m plus n, this is also equal to a raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power of n. This is the multiplication law of indices. So this law was applied here. So now the equation now becomes 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 4, open your brackets, 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have that this is 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x. I will push out the 2. So we have raised to the power of 2 minus 4 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 0. So at this point, we can say that let p be equal to 3 raised to the power of x. So our equation now becomes 3 multiplied by p squared minus 4 multiplied by p plus 1 is equal to 0. Now at this point, we have a quadratic equation in terms of p. So for us to be able to solve this equation, we have to look out for two numbers that when we add their sum is equal to -4, and when we multiply, their product is equal to 3. So those two numbers are -3 and -1. Because -3 plus -1 is equal to -4, and -3 times -1 is equal to 3. So therefore, we have it that this becomes 3 multiplied by p squared minus 3p minus p plus 1 is equal to 0. So at this point, we can group terms. So this becomes 3p, open a bracket, p minus 1, minus 1, open a bracket, p minus 1 equal to 0. So we have it that 3p minus 1 multiplied by p minus 1, everything is equated equal to 0. So therefore, we have it that 3p minus 1 is equal to 0, or p minus 1 is equal to 0. So at this point, we have 3p is equal to 1. So p is equal to 1 divided by 3. Also, we have here that p is equal to 1. But recall that we made a substitution that let p be equal to 3 raised to the power of x. So therefore, recall that p is equal to 3 raised to the power of x. Thus, for p equal to 1 divided by 3, we have this to be 3 raised to the power of x equal to 1 divided by 3. So this becomes 3 raised to the power of x equal to 3 raised to the power of -1. So since the bases are equal, it is true that the indices is equal. So s is equal to 1. Also, for p equal to 1, we have it that this is 3 raised to the power of x equal to 1. But recall that 3 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So we have it that 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 3 raised to the power of 0. So since their bases are the same, so their index should also be the same. So x is equal to 0. Thank you so much for watching. If you know you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video so that YouTube can push it to people that needs this solution. And also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.